Let's make a jig. For this jig, I'm going after bluegill, so I'm using much smaller hooks than I normally use. Usually I'm using number 4. This will be a number 8 sickle hook and 1/32 ounce. I'm gonna make this as close to an orange as I can. I have Light Rootbeer neck hackle and Orange Crush chenille. So we'll get this tiny hook. It's not too bad. Using 210 Danville's black thread. I've already cut my pieces. That one's going to be a little longer than I want. Usually go fishing for crappie, but the lakes within an hour of where I live are all flooded and the boat ramps are closed. So I'm going to go to some local ponds and see if I can catch some bluegill, which really isn't a challenge. You just need a small hook, some hot dogs, and you'll catch them. But I wanted to make my own jigs for catching bluegills. Some chenille on here. That might be too much. Don't need much with a small jig. I'm going to go with the less is more concept with this. Whip the end. It didn't lock down very well. Now I'll finish it up with just a dab of hard as nails. So there's the finished bluegill jig. Didn't turn out perfect, but it's close. I don't think the fish are gonna mind.